y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Friday, November 6th, and today is day 3, our last full day here in Park City, Utah. We kind of got a slow start this morning, but it's about 10:30 and we are headed out the door. I think we are gonna go try and do a little hike, and we are gonna do the Heber Valley Railroad this afternoon. So it should be a super fun day, and I am going to bring y'all along with me. So let's go load up in the car and head on out. Our first stop of the day is Bridal Falls. It was about a 45-minute drive or so from where we are staying. And y'all, this is absolutely unbelievable. It is so pretty. Let me show you a view. I can't even capture the whole mountain with my camera, but there's a little waterfall. It's called Bridal Falls, and it is just stunning out here. So pretty. I think we're about to take the path and go walk down here and go see the waterfall up close. We just moved over to a different parking lot, and I think we're about to try and hike up to the falls and get a closer view. Look at the river. This hike up to the waterfall is definitely not an easy one. Not gonna lie, when they said this trail's a little bit steep and extreme, they're not lying. Your girl is tired. I don't even know if we're halfway, but I'm determined to make it over to the falls. It is beautiful. It definitely can be a little bit scary.
That's the rest of the way.
I am thoroughly out of breath, but we made it up to the falls. It is beautiful. The hike is definitely a little bit scary, but definitely worth these views. This is unbelievable. We're over halfway back down now. My mom made it all the way to the top. We are very proud of her, but these views are unbelievable. Cody's never hiked up a mountain like this. In his first hike, it was a little bit of a daunting one, I'm not gonna lie. But I love all the fall colors still in the mountains. It is just so pretty. Look at this view.
That view.
I know. It looks
incredible.
Fake. It is so pretty. I have to say, this is a part of the trail I am not very fond of. It's a straight drop down with this tiny little path. Well, now we're right here at the very base of the falls. I can't believe we hiked up there. What a cool experience. Highly recommend checking out Bridal Falls if you're here in Utah. After hiking this morning, we worked up a little bit of an appetite. So we are in Heber City, Utah, and we are at the Back 40 Ranch House Grill. This was like the top rated restaurant in town. So we're about to head inside and see what it's all about. I have to say our lunch was outstanding at that Back 40 grill that we went to. It was absolutely delicious. And now we are doing something really exciting. We are going on a 90-minute railroad through the mountains on the Heber Valley Railroad. So it should be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. Cody has never been on a train like this before, so it should be a really fun time. We made it over here to the train that we're gonna be riding this afternoon. It should be a lot of fun. Hopefully we see some pretty views. Maybe we'll see some wildlife. I'm crossing my fingers. So this should be really fun. We haven't been on a train in quite a while, so I'm so excited. Alright y'all, we are boarding the train. We're the first ones on here. Well guys, that pretty much concludes our family trip to Park City, Utah. We had such an incredible time, and I'm filming this on the ground, so all the dogs have to come by and say hello. But obviously I am back home here in Texas, but we had such an incredible trip and saw some... Really, Cooper? Cooper! Stop it! Oh my gosh. But we had such an incredible time, saw some amazing things, and had such a blast. But I hope that you guys enjoyed me sharing the trip. And Cooper is trying to eat my camera. Come here, dog. Come here. Come here. Come sit in my lap. But I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all again real soon with another video. Bye, y'all. Mwah.